Hello and good morning. Welcome everyone back to the channel. Claudio's back online, getting ready to go for a follow-up appointment with nuclear medicine in regards to a hip replacement that I'm not quite convinced on. Let's see if they can convince me on this operation with this appointment and this chit-chat we're about to have. To all the new subscribers, I thank you for subscribing. To all the old subscribers, to all the day oneers, I thank you for the continued support. Hopefully the training will be back soon. I'm hoping I'll recover a lot quicker than expected. And I'll see you guys on the next clip. Peace out of here. We've arrived at the hospital. We're getting ready for the nuclear medicine chit chat. We've arrived at St George Hospital. Thought I'd film this bit of a view for you. Finished down at the hospital. Heard what I had to say here. I'll digest it over the weekend and then make a full decision whether I'm going to get a hip replacement or not. They want to put a titanium hip in as the cancer spread to my hip. Apart from that, now I'm down at the local GP getting my bloods done for chemo on Monday, and I've also got to see the doctor. Lost a bit of weight, but that's expected. Fluctuation.